Now, as you may have guessed, these jumpers are faced with a very unique situation, a traffic jam in the sky. They must first create vertical separation between themselves and allow for individual approaches into the landing area. The parachutes used by the Golden Knights are flexible wing gliders. Constructed of lightweight ripstop nylon, watch the incredible amount of forward speed as Staff Sergeant Greg Windmiller flies right over the target area, barely off the water. Each of the jumpers will file in, doing one of our maneuvers known as the shoreline spread. Each of these jumpers can hear and see very well. They are looking for the loudest point on the shoreline, allowing them to know where they want to land. So feel free, raise your arms, wave your hats, wave anything you can. Let these jumpers know where you'd like them to land today. High overhead, our smoke chain dangling from that 50-foot cable is just about to burn out. Each of these jumpers are picking a point on the shoreline. To turn left, the jumper pulls down on the left steering line. To turn right, they simply pull down on the right steering line. And watch they pull out both steering lines for the safest and softest tiptoe landing. Each of these jumpers will use this high wind to their benefit, allowing them to virtually stop right before setting their tiptoes on the ground for a perfect tiptoe landing right here on the shoreline in front of you today. And here come our last two jumpers into the landing area. They're still looking for a good point on the shoreline for the loudest point in the crowd. Watch the minor corrections this jumper makes with his steering lines as he sets it down for a tiptoe landing. And last but not least, here comes Sergeant Christopher Clark coming in on his final approach. Feel free to wave your hands at him as you see him coming in here today. And there he flares it out in a beautiful tiptoe landing by your United States Army Parachute Team, the Golden Knights. Ladies and gentlemen, this